Cooking is an art, and the tools you use can make or break your experience. This 6-cup double boiler pot set by Classic Cuisine, a 1.5-quart stainless steel saucepan with a 2-in-1 design that's here to redefine your culinary adventures. Whether you're tempering chocolate, melting butter, or crafting delicate sauces, this double boiler delivers excellence every time. Packed with innovative features, stylish design, and unmatched versatility, this cookware is a dream come true for home cooks and professionals alike. Why choose the Classic Cuisine double boiler? The 6-cup double boiler pot set stands out in the crowded world of kitchen tools because it combines practicality with sophistication. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, it's designed to last while delivering flawless cooking results. Here's why this double boiler should be your next kitchen upgrade. 1. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted with a mirror finish on the outside and a satin finish on the inside, this pot is as durable as it is beautiful. Stainless steel ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and burnt sauces. It's rust-resistant, stain-resistant, and built to withstand daily use. 2 measurements. Inside the pot, say goodbye to guesswork. This pot includes handy quart and liter measurements on the inside, allowing you to add the precise amount of liquid needed for your recipes. This feature is especially helpful when preparing delicate confections like custards or ganache. 3. Multi-use functionality. This isn't just a double boiler. It's a multitasking kitchen marvel. Whether you're making caramel, whisking eggs for hollandaise, or tempering chocolate, the top pot is ideal for controlled heat applications. Plus, it doubles as a candle wax melting pot, expanding its use beyond the kitchen. 4. Vented glass lid. The tempered glass lid features a steam vent, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid. This prevents moisture loss and keeps your recipes on point. The vent also minimizes mess, ensuring a clean stovetop. Perfect for gifting. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The Classic Cuisine double boiler makes a fantastic present for culinary students, newlyweds, or anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Its elegant design and practicality make it a standout addition to any kitchen. Performance that delivers every time. From beginner cooks to seasoned chefs, this double boiler caters to all skill levels. Its stainless steel build ensures consistent heat distribution, while the snug-fitting glass lid locks in flavors and aromas. You'll achieve professional quality results with ease, making this pot indispensable for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Why this double boiler is worth it. Unmatched durability. Built to last with premium stainless steel. Precision cooking. Quart and liter measurements for accurate recipes. Versatility. Perfect for desserts, sauces, and even DIY candle making. Stylish and functional. A mirror finish adds elegance, while a vented lid ensures practicality. Maintenance made simple. Cleaning up after cooking is often dreaded, but the Classic Cuisine double boiler makes it easy. Thanks to its non-stick-like interior and stainless steel build, food residue slides right off. It's dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to maintain its shine and extend its lifespan. What makes it stand out? Versatile capacity. The bottom pot holds 1.5 quarts, while the top pot has a 6-cup capacity. This makes it perfect for small to medium-sized recipes, ensuring you have enough room without taking up unnecessary space on your stovetop. Safety features. The tempered glass lid is not only durable, but also provides a safe cooking environment. The vent prevents pressure buildup, and the sturdy handles stay cool during cooking, reducing the risk of burns. Aesthetic appeal. The sleek mirror finish on the exterior adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Whether you're displaying it on a hanging rack or pulling it out during a dinner party, this double boiler is sure to impress. Final thoughts. A must-have kitchen companion. This 6-cup double boiler pot set by Classic Cuisine is more than just cookware. It's a tool that enhances your culinary creativity and confidence. Its thoughtful design, versatile functionality, and high-quality materials make it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're whipping up holiday treats, preparing a romantic dinner, or experimenting with new recipes, this double boiler has you covered. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your cooking game. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring this versatile, stylish, and durable double boiler into your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.